Hi, have you ever wondered why someone would risk their life just to save a teeny bird? Today, I experienced a moment that changed my perspective on life forever. Earlier today, a friend told me that a baby bulbul bird was trapped high in a tree, entangled in a rope. Without wasting a second, I rushed to the spot. When I arrived, people were standing around, worried, but no one dared to climb. The tree was dangerously close to electric wire and the risk was real. But when I looked up, I saw that tiny bird struggling for life. Perhaps it had been trapped for hours. No food, no water, no way to move. In that instant, I felt that if I did not step forward, this little creature might not survive. I gathered all my courage and began climbing. Every step felt like a challenge. My hands were slippery with sweat and my heart was pounding, but my determination was stronger than my fear. When I finally reached the bird, the sight broke my heart. Its wings were trying to move, but the rope held it tight. The fear in its eyes was painful to see. Carefully, I untangled the rope from its fragile body. Then I noticed the thread still tied tightly around its tiny feet. With patience, I removed it too. At that moment, it felt like I had lifted a heavy weight off my chest. I held the bird gently in my hands and slowly climbed down. On the ground, I gave it fresh water. As its beak touched the drops, it seemed to regain a little strength. Then I offered a few grains of food. It ate quickly, like it had been starving for a long time. The heat was unbearable, so I sprinkled cool water over its head. It shook its tiny feathers as if it was finally finding relief. In that moment, I felt it was silently saying thank you. I spent a few minutes with the bird in my hands, letting it rest and recover. It fluttered its wings again and again, preparing itself to fly. Finally, when I opened my hands, it spread its wings and soared towards a nearby tree. Watching it land safely, my heart filled with joy and peace. That moment taught me something precious. This was not just about saving a bird, it was about saving our lives. And sometimes it's these small acts of kindness that truly define what humanity means. Friends, you just witnessed how a tiny bird's life was saved today. Moments like these remind us that kindness and humanity still matter, but this mission cannot continue without your support. If you believe every life deserves a chance, then join me on this journey. Hit the subscribe button right now and be part of a community that chooses compassion over ignorance. Your one click is not just support, it's the strength that helps save the next life. So do not wait, subscribe now and let's make a difference together. Everyone can watch my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow us on my Facebook account and join me on my TikTok account. Thank you everyone for your kindness. Thank you everyone.